Hi guys, welcome to Marian Inspired, your place of DIY, crafts and home decor. Today I'm going to do a very simple DIY craft. It's a craft but also can be used for your home space, home decorating, for your bedside table, for your coffee vignettes, just to display your centerpieces. So we are going to make a ceramic tile tray. These are the materials that you will need. You will need a piece of a ceramic tile. I just bought this from the hardware shop and had it cut to the dimensions that I desire. You can make it smaller, you can make it wider. You can choose different colors, different textures. It will depend on what you want and what will suit your space. Then we'll have drawer handles. These are just simple drawer handles. They're also found in your hardware store. These ones actually go for 200 Kenya shillings, so not quite expensive. Then you will need industrial glue. I use E6000. It's a bit difficult to find in Kenya, but there are people who have it in stock. But you can also use any industrial glue. I think there is a Fevibond or the hardware glue. You go and ask for glue that can stick metal to ceramic tiles or to wooden, but it needs to be able to stick metal because metal requires quite sturdy or strong glue. Then you'll need a pair of scissors, and this is just like I don't know how to call this, but it's like a padded piece of paper. You can find this at Textbook Center. I'd shared this before. So what we'll use this for is just to put underneath the tile so that it doesn't abrase or scratch your surface. So we'll just cut bits and squares of it and use it. So we'll go right into it. You'll need a bit of pieces of tissue because the glue can get very messy. You don't want to stick your fingers and to mess your surface. Also ensure your surface is covered, if possible, with a piece of paper. So I've already stuck my base. You can do tiny strips or you can do a large strip. As you can see, the ceramic tile is normally very rough, so you don't want to spoil your table. You can cover the whole tile if you have enough, it doesn't matter, but this raises it a bit from the surface and prevents the scratching. Then, very easy. After that, I already have some previously opened glue, so I'll just apply it on my handle. So this glue, just take care, you don't want to go home stuck. I keep pressing and getting more glue out. I have a bit of a hole on the side, which makes my life easy. So ensure you apply it well and evenly. I'm already getting messy. So evenly spread your glue on your surface. Want it quite well applied. Once it's applied, I will come and just eyeball on where I want my handle to be. If you want to be very accurate, you can do measurements and maybe leave a bit of an inch all around the borders. Then you press hard. So my theme was gray and silver, that's why I went for a ceramic tile with gray texture. You can see the straight lines and the patterns. You need tissue as you work on this, or maybe have a hand towel so that you prevent keep wiping the glue. So apply your glue on your handles depending on the design of your handles. got quite a good one there. Yep, and we are done. Then I will bring the other handle. I am just eyeballing, estimating basically the distance. If you want to be a bit thorough and fine, you can use a ruler and a pencil and mark your tile and where you'll put your handles. And as you can see, I am done, and my tile is my ceramic tile tray. So my tray is ready. The only trick is this glue needs to dry at least 24 hours or overnight. So I will leave it to dry overnight, and then it is ready to be used. I'm not scared that if I lift it with the handles it will fall off. Please do not use normal glue. Do not use hot glue, because the ceramic tile is quite heavy. So please, if you can find industrial glue, that will be good. You can also make this from wood, so you can get a piece of wood from your carpenter, or you can go to the supermarket and buy a chopping board, and then you use your handles. Actually, with the chopping board you can drill your handles to the wood, or you can still use wood glue or industrial glue, and stick it to your tray. So after that you can display your stuff. Whether you put it on your table or on your bedside area, you can actually display your stuff and you're good to go. So this is something I made earlier. You can see the handles are still silver, just a bit of a different design. This is my diffuser, and this is just a coral shell. Yeah, and this is my candle. It's a silver candle inside a mason jar, and I'm good to go. So I'm going to put this on my bedside, and I'll share photos of what styling I used for my bedside table and my nightstands. And I hope you're inspired. I hope you're going to try this simple DIY in your home, whether you use wood or ceramic tile. Enjoy yourself. If possible, share the picture so that we can see what you came up with. Bye, and see you next time on Marion Inspired.